cleanest yet
power efficient. I'm gonna remember all these off the noggin. So, yep, you know what? Changed my mind.
He doesn't even remember.
So it lasts really long, just like I don't. Oh yeah, oven bird.
This is the oven bird.
Very bad. And
What
yes,
the hell did you just say?
oven bird. Loud ass people.
Hey,
Hey!
hey, we're filming here.
We just closed the door. 1440p, 100 millisecond.
That'd be pretty bad.
Pretty sick, sleek little monitor. So I don't even know where I was gonna go with that. Bing bong.
Bing
And
bong.
I think I just have the headset.
I believe a no, wait, is this the Seasonic, right?
Good, and it definitely sounds good. Oh, there's my mom calling for me. Are my chicken nuggies ready, Mom? Oh yeah, let's go. You can't beat that.
Okay.
I can already feel Zach spreading.
It's like,
The PC came.
like some, if you have anything, I love this little character. Do I want to give him a shout out? I don't really know if I want to.
The turbo cock.
This is the turbo cock, but I just love turbo cock.
Case.
Is it expanding?
Oh, that's not expanding.
I was gonna say.
I can't read. I'm just kidding. I just can't pay attention.
Oh wait, see how.
I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. A smaller knife.
Up front here, side. Oh God, I hate our table. 1 second.
By the way, look what I did to my finger.
Oh God. In this episode when we do it, we're rolling.
Yeah, we're rolling.
All right. Now, if it does explode, you're going with it. Oh goodness.
Come on, ramp down.
Please.
Come on.
Give me something.
All right, come on, baby. No. Please.
That is not safe. It's probably a bad board, but did we get a 1050 Ti out of it?
We definitely know this system works too, because we have already done a full video on it, and we just did that video a few days ago. Is it alive?
Look at it. Look at it.
It's a fresh bug. It's not one that came with it.
Birds.
Burbs.
All right, she's out here, ready to get blasted. That's a line McAllister's gonna save.
Oh, you're such a dirty girl. Ugh, so hard to push. Nope. I think I just put like a little cone head on it.
He gave it a cone head. Why would he give it a cone head? Uh-oh.
Oh God.
Oh no.
Oh.
Why? It's a brand new hose.
Awesome content, pretty good price right now. That it's running.
Yabba-doo-wee! So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed.
That's it.
Why did that feel so weird? So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed this. What's happening to me? Oh,
He's falling apart.
I'm getting ready to just.
I forgot to do the outro.
I am. Like, what the heck? All right. Bye. Goodbye. All right, guys. So I need to update you guys. So you're gonna say something, Matt?
I wasn't gonna say anything. I wasn't gonna say anything.
Was he gonna say something?
I wasn't gonna say anything.
That's not very satisfying. And bought 2 more of these things. Yeah, our money. That's where it goes, to dumb stuff.
McAllister.
Which do you think you prefer?
Wow. Wow, McAllister. Wow.
PC Bros?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, 500.
As said, the DoorDasher almost dropped his chicken and dumplings. He said if that happened, I would have taken a half day.
All right, guys. Well, we just got done test marking.
Test marking.
Peace out, girl kittens.
Oh my God. This William Duppy, PCBros.tech. I'm fully erect for you, McAllister.
Now for the RAM, we had to go RGB. We just had to. We have this Oli 16 gig kit, and it is I already said 16 gigs. Crucial 500 gig, and it does.
Well, not super. Okay. And as you can tell, the PC is in a. How am I supposed to say that? Should I tell them it's like?
This PC will be for sale. It's safe. Don't worry. He's like.
He's like.
Well, I was trying to hide.
Here's our handy dandy driver.
Hey, I delivered.
Now this one of PC Bros.
Imogen. This is the Imogen.
Can you do it? Can you handle it? Oh, it's installed. Wow. Fragile, handle with care.
The Bowie knife, the one that you guys hate when I use. You guys
Be
are
careful.
like, oh, he's using it wrong. He's gonna cut himself.
It's fragile. Be careful.
I am a freaking survivor. I'm a warrior. Can the challenged put in a challenger?
Can I? All right. So it's yes, exactly.
Now he's done this wrong before, guys.
I have.
I swear.
It's in. It made a click noise I wasn't super happy with.
$100. We're actually no, I was gonna say something different. Oh man, this cooler. Oh, that was the board.
Oh no!
Don't do that. So, testing. All right, I think we're good.
Yeah.
McAllister, you said you've been wanting a new voice, so we were kind of thinking like, this laptop is good.
I wish Matt would give me the benchmarks.
Raises, please.
All right, let's continue with that, right, guys? All right.
All right.